Ever wondered what a Bitcoin wallet is and how it works? In this guide, we'll explain in simple terms what a Bitcoin wallet is, how it functions, and why it's essential for using Bitcoin. A Bitcoin wallet is a software application or physical device that allows you to store, send, and receive Bitcoin securely. Think of it as a digital wallet where you can keep your Bitcoin, similar to how you store physical cash or cards in a regular wallet, but in digital form. However, a Bitcoin wallet doesn't actually store Bitcoin itself, rather, it stores private keys, which are essential for accessing and managing your Bitcoin on the blockchain. There are two main types of Bitcoin wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and allow for quick and easy access to your Bitcoin. These are ideal for daily use and making transactions. You can access them through mobile apps, desktop applications, or web-based wallets. While they are more convenient, they are also more vulnerable to online attacks and hacking as they are connected to the internet. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline wallets used for storing Bitcoin securely for long periods. They are typically in the form of hardware wallets or paper wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your private keys offline, making them less susceptible to online threats. Paper wallets are physical prints of your public and private keys, providing a completely offline option for storing Bitcoin. Cold wallets are recommended for users who want to keep large amounts of Bitcoin safe from potential hacking or theft. When you create a Bitcoin wallet, you are issued two keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is your Bitcoin wallet's address, similar to a bank account number, and it is used for receiving Bitcoin. You can share this key with others so they can send you Bitcoin. The private key is the most critical part of your wallet. It acts like a password, granting access to your Bitcoin. With your private key, you can send Bitcoin to others or control the funds in your wallet. It's important to keep your private key secure and never share it with anyone. If someone gains access to your private key, they can steal your Bitcoin. When you send Bitcoin to someone, the transaction is broadcasted to the Bitcoin network. The network then verifies the transaction and, once confirmed, it is added to the blockchain. Your wallet will update to reflect the change in balance after the transaction is completed. When receiving Bitcoin, the process works in reverse. You provide your public key to the sender, who then sends the Bitcoin to your wallet's address. In conclusion, a Bitcoin wallet is a vital tool for anyone who wants to use Bitcoin, offering a secure way to store and manage your digital assets. Whether you use a hot wallet for convenience or a cold wallet for long-term storage, ensuring that your private key remains secure is key to protecting your Bitcoin. With the right wallet, you can safely store, send, and receive Bitcoin with ease.